How to use these EkoBRIT washing machine cleaner tablets for pets. You're especially going to want to use these if you have dog hair and stuff like that around your house. So the way we're going to use these is on this washing machine. We're going to go ahead and take a tablet out of here, and we are not going to put it in the soap dispenser part of the the washing machine. I keep wanting to call it a dishwasher. We're going to throw it directly into the drum. Once we throw it into the drum, you can do it on two different things. One, if you have a self-clean or a cleaning option on your washing machine, you're going to want to go ahead and do that. If you don't, just put it on normal and then put it on the hottest temperature you can put it on once it's on normal. Once you do that, you run that cycle empty with just the tablet inside, and then once it's over, we're going to open it up and just come in with like a microfiber or some rags or something like that, and just kind of wipe the entire interior. But anyways, it's as easy as that. And if you're interested in these, I'll go ahead and put a link as to where you can get these particular tablets for washing a washing machine if you have a home with pets.